Hello my beloved students, you are highly welcome in my class here. This is Ato English Fluency and you are highly welcome in the class, and I'm very happy to have you here. This channel is an English channel for teaching beginner students, and also with time we are going to advance into teaching advanced students. So far I have taught about alphabet in the other video. I believe I will put the what it's up here so that you can be able to see it, but the way I taught it, it was quite different from the way I'm going to teach it at this moment. Yeah, and but still the same, but in the other video the alphabets were separate. Okay, the small ones and then the capital ones were taught separately, but in this video actually they are together. Yeah, so we shall just see the difference in them and also how to pronounce them the right way. But in the other video I taught how to read and write it, but here we are just going to see the difference in them and also read them. Yeah, and also we are going to see vowel letters, the difference between vowels and consonant in this particular video. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Therefore, let us go in the class. So here we have a capital and small letters. They are quite different. Some of them are different and some of them are just the same. Yeah, as you can see here, we have capital A and then small a here. Yeah, so you can see the difference in it, but all of them are A. And then this is B, capital B and then small b. They are also different in shapes but same letters. And then capital C, okay, capital C and small c, they look same but different in size. And D, okay, capital D and then small d, they also look different here but still the same D. And then actually in general the first letters are the capital and then the second ones are the small letters. Now like this one is capital E and then small e, they also look different. Okay, yeah. And then F, they somehow look same, but for capital one it has a sharp edge at the end, here. Yeah, it's sharp, but this one is just curved up there. I mean, I don't know exactly where I can do it, but here, okay, there is different from this one here. Yeah, but they somehow look same. And then capital G and then small g, also they look somehow different. Yeah, and then H, capital H and then small h, also different. This one here must be I, but this one is wrong. Just capital I is like that, like this, like this. Yeah, this is capital I. And then this one is small I, which is correct. Yeah, this one is correct. It is indeed small I. And then capital J and small j, they look same, but small j has a dot on top and then a capital J has a cross on top. Yeah, K, same but different sizes. Okay, and then L, capital L, this one is correct, but this one is wrongly written. Just small l is just like that without this I without this I here. This is a small L, okay, but this one is correct. And then M, capital M has a sharp edge here, okay, a sharp edge, but small m is actually curved. You can see the edges here are curved. And then capital N also has a sharp edge here, as you can see. But then for a small n is also just curved. Yeah. O, capital O and small o, the difference is only in sizes. And then capital P and small p, the difference is also in sizes. But for Q is different. Okay, you can see capital Q and then small q. Yeah, for capital Q it's just like an O and then a slash in there to out. R is also different. Capital R and small r, they don't look same. But then capital S and small s, the same, but the difference is just the size. And then for T, capital T has a cross on top, okay, but then a small t has a cross in the middle. U, capital U and small u, same, difference is the size. And then capital V and small v, also same, difference is the size. But for W, it's just like an M. W has a sharp edge for capital, but then for the small one it is curved. Yeah. And then X also, it is the same, capital X and then small x. For X the difference is in size, and also Y, they are same, difference is also in size. Then also Z, they are the same, but differences are also in size. And then someone can say, what are these next letters here? Okay, these letters here, these ones, and then these ones. Okay, this one is just the opposite, it is written oppositely. Let us just cancel them. Okay, for this one is capital vowel, and then this one is a small vowel. So these vowels, they come from alphabetical letters. So how do you read this? This is a, e, o, and a. The same a, e, o, and then a. Let us go back in the in alphabetical letters, and then we see those letters that were removed from alphabetical letters. We have a and e, and then e, o, and then a. These ones that I've circled are the ones which were removed from alphabetical letters. So those ones circled in yellow, they are called vowels, and then the remaining ones are consonants. Now the consonants are these ones: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, Y, Z. Those are the consonant letters. Let me hope that you have understood. In case you have not, rewind the video. So let us look at the sounds. In letter R, we have this one here, we can read it an, at, as, ask, then and. Yeah, and then a, for a we have this word that starts with a as in sound, which is end, egg, elf, elk, and ebb. Then for a, which is here, we have in, is, it, if, ill, ink. Then for o, we have off, on, odd, oil. Then for a, okay, for a we have as, up, and. That's just easily how we can read word that has the sound of a vowel letter. Yeah, watch the video carefully again and again. I believe that you'll understand. I will see you in the next one. Bye.